morning, students. So we will continue today the fall of Troy part 2. In previously we have seen it is an epic, okay, and there was a fight between the two cities. Now we are going to continue what has happened later. At the last, the Troy was taken not by the force but by the trick. Okay, they have forcefully seen how to take out from the city, as the city was being protected with the broad walls as well as the mountain. So now what has they have used? They have used the tricks. It was cunning. Cunning means skill. Odyssey, who found for a plan to obtain the victory. That means they want to success. Let us build a great wooden horse. What they have done? They have built a great wooden horse. He said, big enough to behold men inside. That means the horse, inside the horse, there will be men inside. And let someone of our best fighters hide in the horse. What they are going to hide inside the horse? A best fighter. Then let us burn our tents and pretend to sail away in our ship. That means they are going to burn themselves, their share. What they are going to burn? They are going to burn their tents by themselves and show it to them that they have moved away. So what has happened? See? Then they let us burn our tents and pretend to sail away in our ship. That means we have none of them are outside. But instead of sailing away, we will return in the night. What they have told, they have made a plan so that they will come out. Okay, and see, our tent has been burned. So maybe they have went, but they have a cunning plan. What was the plan? When the Trojans are asleep, what they are going to see? When the Trojans are asleep, we will attack the city and burn and kill. What was the planning? Then once all of them are fast asleep, we will do attack and we will kill and we will burn them all. The Greek leaders decided to follow the advice of the wise Odyssey. What they have done? They are going to follow. The Greek leaders are going to follow whom? Odyssey. So a great horse of wooden was made by a skillful engineer. Skillful means expert engineer. They have done. And the greatest horses, Menelaus and the Odyssey himself, who were the two who went inside the horse, Menelaus and Odyssey himself, and entered. Others entered in the last, and others entered in the last. Man to go in behind, being the architect himself. Architect also went with himself. Who know the secret of opening and shutting the entrance? They have made a huge horse and they have made the entrance and the exit of that horse. So the architect also went with them. That evening the Greeks burned their tent and sailed away their ships, but they do not go very far. What did the Greeks have done? They have burned their tents and they have sailed. Sail means went back from the ship. Only one man was left behind to pursue that the Trojans to drag the horse into the city. Only one person. See the thing what they have done. Only one person was left behind. Rest all went away. Next day the Trojans wake up, expecting to go out and fight. All day they are just expecting. Morning has happened and they are just going to fight. See what has happened now. As they were done the past 10 years, what delight and surprise! What was the surprise? They felt at a sight that they saw on the she-horse outside the wall. What did they saw? Sea-horse. It seemed that the long siege fight was over at last. They felt, oh my God, the war has been finished. And see what has happened. The tent had been burned. How are the tent? They had been burned. The shore was deserted. The Greek ship had all gone. Trojans were thinking that the Greek ship has gone. Now no one was there. But what has happened? It's a peace at last. Okay, they were thinking that it is a peace they cried and opened wide their gates. They had opened their gates and came out in a large number of the flames, glad to be free, and they were happy, okay, glad to be free again to go where they were peace. Then they saw on the sand a huge wooden horse. What did they saw? A huge wooden horse. They gathered round in the astonishment, for it was indeed a wonderful piece of work. What was it? It was a wonderful wooden piece of work. That means it has been carved beautifully, attractively. As they were wondering how the horse has been built and why it has been left behind. What they were wondering? They were thinking why the horse has been kept behind and why they have prepared such a beautiful horse. They found a Greek with his hand tied together lying under it. When the Trojan dragged him out, the man pretended to be very frightened. See what it was one of the cunning planner. What did they do? When the Trojan dragged, what did the Trojan do? They dragged him out. The man pretended to be very frightened. Frightened means he was feeling afraid of them. When he was commanded to tell them why the Greek had gone, what they have told, they have written. They have force. Trojan has force. What has happened? Why they have went? So the Greek had gone. Why they have left the horse behind? They have keep on asking why they have went, why the horse has skipped here. All these things they were just asking behind. He pretended to tremble very much and refused to speak. He pretended he was too afraid of him, too afraid of Trojan. When at last they pretend means they forced to kill him, he spoke and told them it was a false tale. Tell this false tale. What false tales means? A tale means a short story he has prepared and it was totally false. The Greeks are tired. What did he say? The Greeks are tired of the long war and have sailed away to their ship. They have told the Greeks are tired. Tired means more than 10 years they are just fighting for it. But they are afraid for a very long voyage home too. Even they were afraid. Afraid means traveling for their home. So they had made this horse and left it as an offering to the god of the sea. So what they have told, they were tired, they were afraid of the sea. So they have made this long big horse as an offering for a sea. They wondered also to kill me. They wanted to kill me and offer me as a sacrifice, bali dena. Okay, to the sea god. But I escaped and hid from him. But what he has said, I escaped very nicely. So I am alive. But when did the Greek made such a huge horse? So they were asking, when did they made? How did they made? Okay, they know why they have made to offer as a sacrifice to the god, sea god. The Greek made a reply. If they had made a smaller offering, you might have taken into the city. What they have told? They have told that if they have made a small offering, you will take it inside. But if you make a smaller offering, you may take it out in your city. Then the luck would have gone to the Trojan. What they have told. Then the luck has been passed to the Trojan. They don't want. The Greek don't want. And not the Greek. That is why they made a beak to go inside your cave. So that why they not made a beak? Because it may go inside your cave. The Trojan were delighted to hear. Why they were delighted? They were thinking, what fools they are. Even though they are going to prepare a small offering or a big offering, we are going to enjoy. The Greek had gone. They said, all the walls are not longer necessary. Let us make a hole in the wall. Okay, what has happened? See, now they were thinking the Greeks have went. Now there is no need of all this big wall. Let's make a hole. Hole means to dig the wall. And drag the horse in. Drag the horse in means to take the horse inside. The wise priest means a holy person. The wise priest, what they do? They warn them. Warn them means they have done warning. Okay, then not to do so. It may be the trick that will ruin us. Ruin us means it is the trick. He said, you will bring disaster on the city if you will break the walls. But they all were so excited they paid no attention. The priest was keep on telling that don't destroy our walls. It may be a trick, or you're just bringing what you're just if you will break the wall, you're just bringing a disaster in our city. But none of them has listened. They broke down the part of the strong walls in order to drag the horse in. They just want the horse to be with them, so that all the good things are going to be done with them. All that day the Trojan feasted and drank and celebrated. All that day they were just celebrating. They have feasted, means had food, had drank, everything they have done. All these, their celebration, they went and sleep and slept soundly. Soundly means in a deep sleep. But that day of the rejoicing was soon followed by the night and the terror and the death. The Greek ship has not sailed far. What has happened? The Greek ship has not sailed far. As soon as they were hiding by an island, they were lowered by the sail and dropped their anchor. Anchors means, it is being used to stop the ship. Okay, anchors had waited in the night. They waited till the night. Then what has happened? In the darkness, the fleet, the sail back, and the narration, which was Edmunds, and the boat, a red light high on the mast. So how they have entered sea. The Greek was watching for the return of the fleet trip up to the wooden horse and gave the signal. What did they do? They gave a signal that the horse has entered inside the wall. The side of the horse opened, the Greek climbed up and opened the gate. So what did they do? They have just opened the gate. The whole Greek army entered the sleeping city. Immediately the Greeks set fire to the houses and the towers and the palace and began to burn and kill. What did they do? They just entered inside and they start burning their houses, their palaces, and killed their city person. Troy was filled with the sight of leaping flames. Leaping flames means everywhere there was just fire. And the sound of shouting and the noise of weapons and the cries were keeping women. All were just crying because sudden attack was being done. They were not having any remembrance that maybe the attack is going to happen. The sleeping Trojans sprang out of their bed, but they were taken out by surprise. The enemies were right inside the wall. They were afraid how the enemies are inside the wall. Just because of the big gate and the big walls, they were protected. But now, as they have broken the walls, they have made the hole inside the walls. The Greek opened the door and everyone has entered. Trojans were killed before they could put any armors or seize their weapons. Before taking the armors, they were killed by the Greeks. A bright light up in the night sky as the palaces and the houses, temples and the towers all went up with the flame. Everything, they have burned everything. The Trojans fought as well as they could, but it went all in vain. Old King Priam was killed with all his brave son. That means the king Priam also killed and his son were also killed. Hector's wife and the old mother and sister were carried out. They took their Hector's wife as well as their sisters and took as a slave to conquer. That means they have won, so they took their ladies with them. Their fate was in contrast, and the Helens, when the king Melons rushed towards the city looking for her and found her in her palace, she hung her head in the shame of sorrow. What she has done? She hung, that means she has done suicide. Sorrow as she faced the former husband. Her voice was choked with an emotion. She could not speak. She could not speak. But Menelaus forgave her and she went back with him. For it was only Epirots who have turned her heart away from her homes What she has done, she has protected. When the morning come, nothing was left of proud rich city that had resisted attack for 10 years. Morning time there was nothing left in the city, everything was destroyed by the Greeks. This is the story of the fall of Troy. Thank you.